You don't need expensive herbs to flush out the staphylococcus. You don't need expensive flusher to get rid of that yeast infection. You don't need that expensive medication to flush out all the toxic in your body. All you need is a permanent solution to constant infection. Have you been trying to take all kind of medication for infection, but whenever you take it, it comes back? I have permanent solution for you. Something that is easy to get in the market, that you make yourself, you keep it in the house, so whenever you need it, you drink it. This is it. Watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. This is what you need to get rid of that infection. Staphylococcus, yeast infection. It's so easy to make. These are the ingredients you need, which are: number one, it's a secret that nobody will tell you. To be say, it's a big secret that nobody will come out to tell you. This is what they make for the infection flusher. As a natural therapist, this is my ingredient I use for infection flusher. So this is it. This is guava leaf. You can see this one is not fresh. When you pluck guava leaf, leave it for 12 hours to sun dry. Let it dry a little bit before you boil it. Don't just pluck it and boil it immediately. At least let it, you can leave it for a day to dry a little bit before you boil it. This is it. Rinse it very well and put it inside the pot. This is the number one thing you're using. Put it inside the pot. And this is onion. This is purple onion. You don't need to peel this back. The back of this onion, you don't peel it. You slice it. You just rinse it very well. Rinse it properly and slice it with the peel on it. Slice it with the peel on it, and put it inside the guava leaves. And that's the second one. The third one is lemon. You slice this lemon into different pieces of your choice inside the boiling water. You put the guava leaf, you put the onion, and the next one, lemon. So you slice the lemon into it. All together, it will all boil together. And the last one is garlic. Garlic is antibiotic. All these things I've been showing you, they're antibiotics. So if you're feeling, you always have this constant discharge, you always have this constant infection, you discharge a lot, and you don't know what is causing it, just get all this I'm showing you here: the guava leaf, onion, lemon, garlic. You slice this garlic into pieces, into everything all together, boil it together, and whenever you want to drink, once it's boiled, let it boil very well, and you sieve all the water somewhere. You can sieve the water inside one bottle. So whenever you want to take it, go get honey, original honey. I emphasize on original honey. Just put a little bit inside that water, inside the one that you boiled, and drink it. That is the solution to your problem. That is the solution to your issue. Original honey. Once you boil all this, the guava leaf, onion without you peeling, lemon and garlic, boil everything together and start drinking whenever you feel the symptoms. Instead of you getting all these antibiotics and use it for a while, it works and it comes back again. Herbs is what you need. Stop stressing yourself out. Herbs is what you need, and that is why I'm here for you, to help you with infection flusher. So that is why I'm here for you. If you learn one or two from my video, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping more tips about natural remedy you can take for all sorts of things. You don't need to be taking constant medication, constant capsule to get rid of a yeast infection, to get rid of staphylococcus. Whenever you have intercourse, it comes back out of your private part. This is the solution you need. Easy solution you can make at home. This is do-it-yourself apps you can do in your house. You don't need expensive apps to flush out the staphylococcus. You don't need expensive flusher to get rid of that yeast infection. You don't need that expensive medication to flush out all the toxic in your body. All you need is here. You see this guava leaf, onion, garlic, and lemon is what you need. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share so more people can get benefits from this video. Bye and see you in my next video.